Inkundla yelilizwe yomgaqo siseko imfumanise enetyala lokunyevulela inkundla obesakuba ngumongameli weli umnumzana Jacob Zuma kwaye imgwebe iinyanga ezilishumi elinesihlanu ethothoza entolongweni kuza nanjengoko okaZuma waye akathobela umyalelo wenkundla omgunyazisa ukuba avele phambi kwekomishoni ephanda ngokubanjwa ngobhongwana karhulumente. Tatheli yethu yezopolitiko usamkele Maseko ibengaphandle kwenkundla yomgaqo siseko.
Wayengumongameli wezwe uJacob Zuma unezinsuku eziyinhlanu ukuthi azise kwisiteshi samaphoyisa ukuze azoqala isigwebo sakhe seinyanga eziyi-15. Mayehluleka ukwenza lokho, ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa ubheka icele kuzomele ambophe. Ucele kulezi inyanga ezidlule wahamba naye wayophuza itiye naye wayengumongameli wezwe uJacob Zuma eNkandla. Kuzobonakala-ke ukuthi ucele uzokwazi yini ukumbopha iqabane lakhe uJacob Zuma. Ngingusamkele Maseko, ngibekela izindaba ze-SABC eGoli.
Ukanti ngelixa iwisa isigwebo ijaji yenkundla yomgaqo siseko ujaji Sisi Khampempe ubethelele ukuba izenzo zokaZuma zehlise isidima senkundla kwanomthetho welilizwe.
The majority concludes that quantifying Mr. Zuma's egregious conduct to arrive at an appropriate length of sentence is almost impossible task. The question is, what length of punishment is capable of vindicating the authority of South Africa's apex court and the rule of law, while sending a message generally that orders made by a court must be obeyed, and to Mr. Zuma specifically, that his contempt and contumacy is rebukable in the strongest sense. In determining the length of sentence, the majority has considered the unique circumstances of this matter, the nature of the breach, and the extent to which the breach is ongoing. Not only has Mr. Zuma failed to dispute the contempt of court, he has also failed to contest the degree of the contempt. Instead, he has aggravated it. The majority judgment orders an unsuspended sentence of imprisonment for a period of 15 months. This, of course, cannot adequately capture the damage that Mr. Zuma has done to the dignity and integrity of the judicial system. And ultimately, he owes this sentence not only in respect of violating the Constitutional Court, but to the nation he once promised to lead and to the Constitution he once vowed to uphold.
Kusenjalo amaqela ezopolitiko kunye neJacob Zuma Foundation baphefumlile ngesigwebo esiwiswe inkundla yomgaqo siseko.
The IFP notes the judgment and we believe that it is a victory for democracy, justice and the Constitution, and a further categoric statement that nobody is above the law. It did not have to come to this, and we continue to implore on all South Africans to subject themselves to court processes as and when the need arises to do so. What we are calling for, of course, as the IFP, is for calm and restraint on the part of the supporters of President Zuma. As we know, the situation has been tending towards volatile, and the coming days will be a test for the whole country. And so we are calling for peace and calm, and calling on President Zuma to subject himself to the prescripts of the judgment, including but not limited to compliance within the next 5 days.
Jacob Zuma has thought that he is above the law and untouchable, but it shows very clearly that the Constitutional Court and the rule of law is key in this country. This is a victory not only for us, but for the rule, for the Constitution and the rule of law.
We note with concern that the majority judgment is on record in overriding all kinds of known procedures, as it were, and creating all kinds of special circumstances and considerations which amounted to President Zuma not treated equally like the Constitution has promised everyone. As we sit here and now, President Zuma is the only person in South Africa whose right to appeal has been just taken away, just like that.